In today's fast-paced world, sales analysis is vital for making informed decisions and staying competitive. This real estate sales dashboard showcases how data can be transformed into actionable insights to drive success. Smart cards in the top of the dashboards provide a quick overview, such as 126 units remain available out of 374 total units, and related financial transactions. These figures provide a snapshot of financial progress and inventory management. Properties are categorized into flats, semi-independent houses, and villas, with further segmentation by the number of bedrooms. This helps identify high-demand categories and refine marketing strategies. The yearly sales trend shows a peak of 123 units in 2019, gradually declining to 54 units in 2022. These insights allow businesses to adapt to market dynamics and buyer behavior. Specific apartment performance is highlighted, with DF apartments leading in sales. Granular insights like these guide efforts to replicate success across other projects. Lastly, the location map reveals hotspots, enabling targeted marketing in high-demand areas. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.